Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. Uh, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to create a mail merge, okay, using Microsoft Office Word application. Okay, in here, let's say that we're gonna create a flyer for a birthday party. So you're gonna type this thing, please come to my birthday party. You can use this insert and use word art there, right? Use word art, choose any of this style is fine with me, okay? Because the purpose of this video is to give you the concept, to provide you with the concept how to create a mail merge, right? Uh, so, so you need to type this document, right? Please come to my birthday party, and you can insert any picture that you like, okay? How you put this in the middle of the slide, in the middle of the page, you have to right click and put behind the text, right? Wrap the text and put behind the text, right? Because when you put behind the text, you can move anywhere you like, okay? So don't forget that. If you don't put this behind the text, then the alignment will be off. Okay, so you need to insert picture. You go insert and pictures. And then you put the place, the date, the time, and reservation. Okay, so I'm gonna put 872, for example, 0000. All right. So that is an example of my uh, flyer, right? So this invitation, I'm gonna send it to a lot of our friends, for example, right? So how we create that? So first we need to create the document, right? So this is the first document. So now, once we create a document, we need to create a list. How we create a list? Remember, you have to use Microsoft Office, right? In Windows, if you are a Mac user, the concept is the same. However, uh, the ribbon may be a little bit different. So make sure you listen to my lecture first, and then you apply the concept. So once you create this, I'm going to go to mailing ribbon. This is called mailing ribbon. And go to select recipient, right? Since this is the first time that we create mail merge, we don't have the list of the name that we want to invite. I'm going to create this, type new list, right? Type new list. I'm gonna type Mr. For example. I'm gonna put Robert Ho, right? Uh, the address is 100 Pecan, right? I just put a random address and name, right? And then the city, McAllen, right? Texas 78501, right? So that is the first record in the list. I'm gonna type another one, which is Mr. Jose, Mr. Jose Flores, for example, right? I'm gonna type this 200 FM 155. Okay, I'm gonna type this city, Rio Grande City, Texas, and then I'm gonna type 78582. All right. I'm gonna put one more list. So for your assignment, I would suggest you type at least 5 record, right? Here, I just gonna type 3. I'm gonna put Miss Rosalba, Rios, for example, right? I'm gonna name this 300 ABC Road. I'm gonna put here Edinburgh, right? Texas 78555. Okay, so here I have 3 records. For your assignment, please do 2 more. Okay, pick any random names or your friends, your family, it really doesn't matter, right? So first we create the document, which is the behind this, the invitation, right? Once we create the invitation letter, the next thing is to go to mailing ribbon and create a new list, right? Because we don't have a list whom are we going to invite. So we need to go to select recipient and create a new list. Once you finish 3 or 5 record, I'm going to click OK, right? Make sure you save this document, okay? This is going to be, I'm going to save this on the desktop and I'm going to name this mailing list. This is going to be lab 1 mailing list, right? That's the mailing list database, right? Okay, mailing list database. Boom, there we go, right? So once we create the document and create a list, now we have to merge the document. How are we gonna merge the document? We're gonna go to here. You see this insert mail merge? I'm gonna click here and then go to the title, right? Because we have a title there. Put a space, insert, first name, space, insert last name, right? So normally we're gonna send this to all of our invitees or friends, right? Then I'm gonna go to the next one, city, address, right? Because we put the address in the field. So I'm gonna click file again, city, right? Comma, space, state, comma, zip code, right? Now we have all this information. So notice that we already finished the 3 steps. We create the invitation letter, okay, we create the document, and then we just create a list from here, right? Create a list from there, and then we just merge the document using insert field, insert merge field in the document, right? So we are merging that. So how we review all of this? You see this preview result? I'm gonna click this. Boom, there we go. Now we have this Mr. Roboto. If I go to the next slide, the next thing, it's gonna say Mr. Jose Flores, right? If I click another thing, it's gonna be Miss Rosal Barrios, right? So if you have 5 record, you can click this, it's gonna print 5 record, right? So that is the concept how you do a mail merge using Microsoft Word. This is a very good tool, especially you want to send a lot of invitation for all your friends and colleague or co-worker, right? Just remember the step. 1, create the document. 2nd, you need to create a list. And the 3rd one, you merge the document using this and preview result, right? If I go to here, right? If preview result, this is the original one. But if I click this one more time, this is the template, okay? Once you finish this, you can print this. It will send the invitation later. But I don't want to print this, okay? Because I just want to give you example, right? So if you print this, it will print 5 pages or 3 pages, right? With all the name and things, right? So for the purpose of this exercise, I'm going to save this document as file save as. Since I put my database in the desktop, I'm going to keep it consistent. So I'm going to put lab 1 mail merge lab, right? So earlier I saved the database, right? And this is the actual letter. So when you send me through Blackboard, you will send me 2 files, right? The Word document and the mailing list database. If I click OK, finish, boom, there we go. So I'm going to close this. And if I see this on my desktop, let me see. If I click this on my desktop, if I go to my desktop, let me see what happened here. If I go to my desktop here, right, I have the 2 documents. Here we go, right? I have this document which is mail merge lab 1 mail merge, right? And the database. So you're gonna send these 2 files in the Blackboard. All right, so that is the end of the assignment for Microsoft Word Lab 1. So far, we have 3 labs, right? Word Lab 1, Lab 2, and Lab 3. I skipped this lab number 1 because we are a little bit behind on schedule. That's why now I need to catch it up. Okay, so this is going to be your lab number 1. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day or have a great weekend.